Hello everyone. In today's video, we discuss about best hair transplant clinic from different countries from all over the globe. Let's subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Hermes Hair Clinic in Turkey achieves a 99% success rate and over 50,000 successful procedures, delivering elite-level hair restoration results worldwide. Blackrock Hair Clinic in Ireland has treated over 30,000 plus patients with consistently reliable transplant outcomes. Austria's Moser Medical reports a strong 95% success rate, backed by decades of proven surgical expertise. Nordic Hair Finland has helped over 22,000 plus individuals through dependable and modern hair restoration procedures. Crown Clinic in New Zealand maintains a 92% success rate, offering stable and effective transplant solutions. Hair Doc Clinic in Sri Lanka has served over 20,000 plus patients with growing regional trust. Orient Hair Clinic in Vietnam records a 91% success rate, ensuring consistent and predictable transplant outcomes. Taipei Hair Clinic has treated more than 30,000 plus patients using efficient and advanced restoration techniques. Hong Kong's Hair Transplant Center maintains a 92% success rate with trusted and proven procedures. BHG Hair Clinic in China has handled over 200,000 plus patients, showing massive operational scale. Insparia Clinic from Portugal achieves a 94% success rate, combining innovation with advanced medical expertise. Advanced hair clinics in Greece have assisted over 40,000 plus patients with natural-looking and lasting results. GHC Clinic in Czech Republic records a 92% success rate with stable and reliable treatment performance. Hungary's Sikos Clinic has treated over 55,000 plus clients, building strong international credibility over time. Poland's Klinika Meraki maintains a 93% success rate, emphasizing precision and modern surgical techniques. Copenhagen Hair Clinic has served over 28,000 plus patients, steadily expanding trust across Denmark's medical sector. Oslo Hair Center in Norway records a 92% success rate with dependable and professional outcomes. Nordic Hair Clinic in Sweden has treated more than 30,000 plus patients using advanced transplant techniques. Pro Hair Clinic in Belgium achieves a 95% success rate, offering premium services with expert specialists. HairTech Clinic in Netherlands has helped over 45,000 plus clients through consistent and reliable procedures. Casablanca Hair Clinic in Morocco records an 89% success rate, steadily improving service quality over time. Nairobi Hair Transplant Clinic has served over 15,000 plus patients, expanding its presence across Kenya. Skin 101 clinics in Nigeria maintain a 90% success rate with affordable and effective treatment solutions. Cosme Surge Egypt has treated more than 30,000 plus clients with reliable and trusted cosmetic procedures. Alvi Armani in South Africa achieves a 93% success rate, delivering high-end hair restoration services. Medical Hair Chile has served over 25,000 plus patients using modern techniques for natural-looking results. Bogota Hairlines in Colombia records a 92% success rate, ensuring dependable and consistent outcomes. Hair Recovery in Argentina has treated over 50,000 plus clients, reflecting strong expertise and rising demand. Capel Clinic in Mexico achieves a 93% success rate, balancing affordability with reliable transplant outcomes. Clinica Mauad in Brazil has handled more than 100,000 plus patients with large-scale success. Venus Aesthetics in Bangladesh records a 91% success rate, steadily improving with modern techniques. ILHT Pakistan has treated over 60,000 plus patients, gaining popularity through affordable and consistent services. Svensson Hair Center in Philippines maintains a 92% success rate with long-term and effective solutions. Hair Science Institute in Indonesia has served over 35,000 plus patients using advanced restoration methods. Glowjas Hair Transplant in Malaysia records a 93% success rate with consistent and reliable outcomes. Freya Medical in Singapore has treated more than 25,000 plus patients with personalized care. Hairsmith Clinic in Thailand achieves a 95% success rate, known for precision and natural-looking results. AGA Skin Clinic in Japan has served over 120,000 plus individuals with trusted expertise. Motion Clinic in South Korea records a 96% success rate with advanced and precise procedures. DHI India has treated more than 200,000 plus patients, showing massive scale and global recognition. Dubai Cosmetic Surgery Clinic achieves a 94% success rate with premium and advanced treatment options. Knudsen Clinic in Australia has served over 20,000 plus patients with long-standing industry experience. Hassan and Wong in Canada records a 97% success rate with globally recognized precision. Hair and Skin Medical in Switzerland achieves a 95% success rate with high-quality procedures. Insparia Hair Medical Clinic in Italy has treated over 60,000 plus patients with innovative approaches. Centre Clotterer in France records a 95% success rate with consistent and trusted outcomes. Clínica Villa Rovira in Spain has served more than 40,000 plus patients with advanced expertise. Moser Medical Group in Germany achieves a 96% success rate with decades of experience. Maitland Clinic in UK has treated over 25,000 plus patients with refined and precise procedures. Bosley Hair Restoration in USA records a 97% success rate, dominating globally with unmatched experience. Thanks for joining us till end.